This is Todd with Todd's Dodge Garage. We are back here once again with the 1966 Dodge Charger. There you can see it on the lift. Today we're going to be removing the fuel tank. We've got the car running. Got to get the car running on its own fuel system. In order to do that, we got to drop the tank. I'm going to show you guys how to drop a tank on a B-body. Stick with me and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so we're here back. We're going to remove this bolt which holds the filler neck onto the car and the tank. We're going to take this bolt out and there we have that out. And like I said earlier, I pre-cut this hose because they're rock hard. So we're just going to take that out. And now we're going to weasel it out of the tank, hopefully. There we go. And there is one filler neck out of the way. Next I'm going to be working on that hose there. And once we get that hose right there out of the way, then we'll be able to actually drop the fuel tank. So we'll keep working on that. Alright, so we've got that hose cut. We're ready to actually remove the fuel tank strap, and the tank feels kind of empty, but we'll see what happens. It's either going to come crashing down or, it's not. So hang on, it's going to get loud. We're going to take this bolt off. Alright, we got the bolt off. And now let's see if we can get this tank out. It feels, there's something in it. There's the tank. And that's how you remove a fuel tank out of a 66 Dodge Charger. Come on over here. So again, the first thing you want to do is cut this fuel line or remove this fuel line. This is the fuel line to the fuel pump. This is your fuel sending unit wire. I always do the stuff on the front side. Then you want to take your filler neck off, which is what we did next. And then this hose here we cut. And again, these things are rock hard. I'm replacing all of them. So then I took this off. If you have fuel in your tank, obviously you want to siphon it out or get it as empty as you possibly can. And then remove the bolt that holds the fuel tank strap. And you're good to go. That tank should come right on out with very little problems. So we're going to look at the tank now, inspect it, and see what we have to do. We'll bring you guys along. We'll show you what we're going to do and what we decide. Okay, we've got the tank removed. It's on the floor. Next thing we're going to do is remove the fuel tank sending unit. That's fairly simple. Come on around here. It's held on with this lock ring right here. And just soak it with some WD-40, some penetrating oil, a screwdriver. Put it on the tabs and just hit it. That'll turn. Take your lock ring out, and now this is going to be... And there comes a fuel tank sending unit. There we go. And that's what we needed to do. Now we can inspect the tank, see what we're going to do, get ourselves a new sending unit, and start to reassemble. Until next time, this is Todd with Todd's Dodge Garage.